Hi, I'm going to show you a science experiment today, and this is to explain to your child how clouds get filled with water and then release the water as rain. So what I've got here is a jam jar which is almost full of water. I've got some blue food colouring and some shaving foam. Okay, so what we do first is take the shaving foam and we're going to spray it onto the top of the water. And this is going to be our white fluffy cloud. There we go. Okay. And now we're going to take the blue food dye. I've got one of these syringe pipettes. Don't worry if you don't have one, you could just use a little teaspoon, tip a bit of blue food colouring onto it and then just dab it over, or let your child do it. So to use the syringe, you can show them how to pull the lever up. And this is going to represent the cloud filling up with water. So here we go. This is great for their fine motor skills as well. So eventually, when the cloud gets very heavy with the water, it starts to release it. And then it starts raining. It's a little bit coming through here. Can you see that? Here it comes. It's starting to rain. Yep, it's definitely raining now. Gonna have to get our umbrellas out and our woolly boots. So there you go, that's our experiment, showing a cloud and what happens when it gets full of water, releases it, and it starts raining.